One of the great things about having a beard is the plethora of beard oils and scents that are out there. Now, not only are you nourishing and protecting your beard with these scents, but you have the choice of what your beard can smell like. Today, we're going to be discussing a few of my top scents that I've come across. Now, I've spaced them out throughout the scent spectrum, if you will. What I mean by that is I'm going to have some woodsy smells and some sweet smells. So there's definitely going to be a variety to choose from if you choose to choose one. I think that makes sense. Now, these are some of my favorites. Please let us know what some of your favorites are in the comment section below. Speaking of below, I'll also list, or I'll have a list of where you can grab these products in the description box. Where to start? I'm just going to go ahead. These are going to be in no particular order, so I'm just going to grab this one right here. This one is Turnbull Tonics, and the scent is Wookiee Cafe. Here, I'll give you a little shot of this. Now, this was actually the first one that did come to mind when I was thinking about my top scents that I've come across. And I say that because this scent is amazing. Now, I say it's amazing because it is a coffee scent, but it's not just a coffee scent. It legitimately smells like you're walking into a cafe. So you get that kind of cafe roasty scent with just a touch of vanilla to it. It's very interesting, it's very intriguing, and that's why this is one of my top favorites. Again, this is Turnbull Tonics beard oil, and the scent is Wookiee Cafe. All right, so here's this one. Now, this is gonna be on the completely opposite end of the spectrum. This is gonna be more towards the fruity side, if you will. This is the company's original Bar Balm, and the scent is their original scent. Here, I'll give you a little close-up shot of this. Boom, hopefully that's in focus. This one's amazing, and I say it's amazing because it brings me back to my childhood. Yep, so it's a lemon scent, and specifically this lemon scent, I'm not sure if you were familiar with lemon drops, the yellow ball candies from way back in the day, but that's exactly what this smells like. So this is on my list of top scents because it brings me back to that childhood, and it's different from the other scents in relation to it being sweet as opposed to woodsy or a coffee. Yeah, I like it. It's tasty. Next up, we have Royal Beardsman, and the scent is Bonfire Brandy. So here's this. Hopefully that's coming into focus. Now, aside from the scent that I obviously like, the cool thing about this is the bottle size is 2 fluid ounces, which most of the other companies, the bottle sizes are not 2 fluid ounces. They're generally around 1 fluid ounce. So aside from it being one of my favorite scents, it does come in a larger bottle than the others. Now, this scent, Bonfire Brandy, and this scent right here, it really does smell like a bonfire. It smells like that, literally the smoke from a bonfire. Now, I don't really pick up the brandy scent to it, but I do pick up that smoky, tad bit woodsy scent. Let me take another smell. Yeah, it really is amazing, and this is another one of those scents that's definitely different from the others. Yeah, there's smoky scents out there, but this legitimately smells like a campfire. So again, this is Royal Beardsman Bonfire Brandy, and this is a 2 fluid ounce bottle. Okay. And here we have Rugged Smuggler, and the scent is Smuggler's Cove. All right, I really do like the theme of Rugged Smuggler. All their scents, they have a story behind them, and when you check out their website, it goes into detail as far as the story behind it. So it's cool how it kind of builds a relationship with you in the scent. Now, what does it smell like? So this, it's a very distinct wood smell. Now, not a woodsy, musky smell, but literally like fresh chopped plywood, like fresh chopped cedar is what this smells like, with just a touch of pine to it. Yeah, and again, this is another one that obviously has stuck out to me from the rest just because it is so on point with a wood scent to it, with a cedar wood scent, in addition to just a touch of pine, which is a really good mix of both. So again, this is Smuggler's Cove by Rugged Smuggler. All right, and our last one for the day, this one's from the Beard Struggle. So they made the list, and this is their new scent, Viking Storm. Now, I was really shocked and blown away by this scent. Prior to this scent, my favorite from them was Ragnarok, and that was a clovey, cinnamony smelling beard oil, which I really liked because there weren't really too many other scents that I did smell like that, that smelled like that. But this one right here, Viking Storm, this can easily replace an evening cologne. It has a warm, kind of like a warm sandalwood scent to it with a touch of sweetness. Let me see here. Yeah, and if any of you are familiar with the scent by Dior, it's Sauvage. It's just a nice, elegant scent, and it really does, it makes me want to put a suit and tie on and go out for dinner. It can easily replace any of my other colognes, so this would be really good for something to replace your cologne for an evening dinner, or I mean anytime whatsoever, but specifically if you're dressed up, suited and booted, I'd really look into the Viking Storm. Now, like I was saying before, these are just some of my favorites that have just kind of stuck out to me. And you may not agree, but if you do agree with any of these, that's something else to leave in the comment section below. Let me know, or let us know if you smell any of these scents yourself, and let us know what you think. And also, like I was saying before, we all have our favorites, and please let us know, help us add to our collection of scents. So if you do have a favorite scent of your own, please leave that in the comment section below. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.